Finding clients for your social media marketing agency involves a strategic approach to networking, marketing, and demonstrating your expertise. Here's how to find potential clients. Define your niche. Determine your niche or industry focus. Specializing in a specific niche can make you more attractive to clients looking for expertise in their field. Build an online presence. Establish a strong online presence through a professional website, social media profiles, and content showcasing your knowledge in digital marketing. Networking. Attend industry events, conferences, and join relevant online forums and groups. Networking can help you connect with potential clients and partners. Content marketing. Create valuable content that showcases your expertise. Blog posts, videos, and case studies can help establish your authority and attract leads. Social media marketing. Use social media platforms to reach potential clients. Share valuable content and engage with your target audience. Cold outreach. Send personalized emails or messages to businesses explaining how your services can benefit them. Highlight your past successes and case studies. Referrals. Ask your existing clients for referrals. Satisfied customers can be a great source of new business. Online advertising. Invest in online advertising such as Google Ads or Facebook Ads to target potential clients based on their interests and needs. Local marketing. If you're targeting local businesses, consider traditional marketing methods like local SEO, flyers, and attending local business events. Collaborate with influencers. Partner with influencers or industry experts who can introduce you to their network. Offer free workshops or webinars. Hosting educational webinars or workshops can help showcase your expertise and attract potential clients. LinkedIn. Utilize LinkedIn to connect with businesses and professionals. Join relevant groups and participate in discussions. Online marketplace. List your services on freelance platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or specialized marketing job boards. Client testimonials. Encourage satisfied clients to leave positive testimonials and reviews on your website or social media profiles.